So here is a secret. We all are born here for our evolution. Every person has their own journey of evolution towards spirituality and towards improving as a human being. So here are some secrets which I have recently realized and I thought of sharing about it with you all. Hi, I'm Vishakha, counselor, healer and a life coach. So we all are either born as a men, women or LGBTQ. We have another category where people fall into different places. So we all are here to create a balance. We all know that the majority is with either men or women. So we are either born in a body of a female or a male. Having said that, we have to balance out the feminine as well as masculine energy in every body. That is how the evolution happens. That is how the balance is created, and that is how your purpose is fulfilled when you balance out both the things. So how to do that? So when in a man or in a woman, when you are trying to balance out both the energies, understand characteristics of male is to have control over things, to implement discipline and to be gentle with anything and anyone around them. Still, if they are angry, they should be having full control of their situation. Even if they are angry or they are happy, whatever their state of mind is, they should be in full control of their body and entire situation. This is how the masculine energy works. Parallelly, a feminine energy is regulated with passion, with compassion, with love, with different moods, colors of moods, different lovable energies. They are the creators. They work like creators. Feminine energies work like creators. So when a masculine energy has the control of things and creates a discipline out of everything, the feminine energy is more into creation. So when both the things are balanced in you, you can be a complete human being. Similarly, when a woman tries to implement masculine energy, she should be regulating her entire focus towards her masculine and feminine energy balance. Like, the masculine energy in her takes the decision, creates the space, safe space for improvement and for growth, whereas the feminine energy creates new ideas within and implements the entire decision making. That is how in a woman's body the entire balance of masculine and feminine energy works. Similarly, when it comes to male, their masculine energy has to be balanced out. These days people are very much confused, even if boys are there or male or the guys, they are very confused that they feel that why there are, I mean, the different categories of men, they do not understand the meaning of masculinity. Masculinity is something which creates hold on situation. They should be good at decision making. At the same time, they should not be overpowering the feminine energy around them. They should be gentle enough and they should be caring about them and people around them as well. They should be present in the situation and not complaining about past, because that is the feminine energy which regulates between all the timelines, but the masculine energy is to be in present. So whenever any argument is happening, the job of masculine energy is to be stable, to be present in the situation and having control over things. Control over things doesn't mean you have to shout, you have to be angry and take the power in the situation, but to be in control means to let the feminine energy regulate as per her emotions and let the masculine energy be stable in the situation. They have to create the discipline for them as well as to balance out the feminine energy within them. They need to be more cautious towards self-awareness. They men should start feeling creative and start indulging themselves into art related activities, and they should be compassionate towards people around them. They should be balancing out their femininity in them so that the balance is happening within them. This is how, if they create their safe space for themselves, the balance of masculine and feminine energy within them, the partnership, the compatibility between two people can happen fantastically. So it is the job of both of the entities, the men and women, to balance out their feminine and masculine energy, even if their body is male or female they have been gifted with. I know this is a little complicated because there might be different people having different opinion, but this is how the ideal way of handling the relationship with yourself as well as with your partner should be. I hope this helps. Happy healing, everyone.